So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make money on YouTube with Clickbank in 2020. You don't need any upfront cost to start with. With this method, you'll be able to make more money as an affiliate for using someone else's product instead of just making money on YouTube's AdSense. So be sure to stay till the end of this video so you don't miss out on any of the steps I discuss. All right, let's get into it. So what I've done is I've gone into YouTube and typed in fitness. I'm going to stick with the fitness niche on this video for this example. And then I click on filter. And then you're going to want to click on over here where it says Creative Commons. And what this will do is it's going to bring up a whole bunch of these copyright-free videos, which means you can actually take these videos and use it and upload it back into YouTube as if it's your own, and YouTube won't strike you for it. You don't need to get the creator's permission, and you can see here that there are plenty of videos that you can use within this niche. Tons of fitness videos. Health and fitness, talks about goals, fitness routine. Okay, and once you found a video that you would like to use, I would actually point something out here and make some suggestions that YouTube has done some updates to its platform in terms of service. And I would highly advise that you read through them and do some slight edits to make these videos more of your own. And so to do that, you just need to download the video to your desktop, upload it to an online video editor tool. You could do a Google search for the best online video editor, or just choose which one you want. To give you some examples, some popular ones is Filmora. This is a popular one that a lot of people use. Another one is called OpenShot. I think this one you might actually need to download this to your desktop. But you can just check out the different ones they have available and see which one you would like the best. They all work fairly the same. So staying within this niche, it's not just fitness that you can use. You can type in running. Something like weight training. Okay, guys, and then once you've chosen whichever video that you're going to start with, and make those slight edits with an intro and outro, you can upload those videos to your YouTube channel. Sometimes you can also add in some of your own copyright-free music. You can to your videos, which you can actually find right on YouTube. You can do a voiceover talking about the product if you want, and that kind of adds your own branding to really make it your own. Another reason this is such a great method to use is that you have to get approved by YouTube's review process, which is the monetization of your channel. But first, you need to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, and it's going to take some time for that. And it's going to take about another 2 weeks to a month to go through that review process to get approved. And that's a long time. So what you can do in the meantime, so what you want to do is come over to this site called clickbank.com. If you don't already have an account, it's a simple process. You can sign up right here. It's 100% free to join. Enter in some basic details. So here we are in the Clickbank dashboard. As you can see over here to the left, under categories, there are several different niches that you can choose from. They offer digital and physical products and courses, mostly digital products. So you can see we have cooking, food, and wine, e-business and e-marketing, health and fitness, home and garden. So then what you want to do is you want to choose one of these categories. So let's go into health and fitness. Then what you want to do is in this box right here, you want to sort results by gravity. And this is going to show you the current best-selling products here in the health and fitness niche. So you can see here on the top, we have Proven, which has sold 476 copies for this product from affiliates within the last 7 days. So you know that is one of the best-selling products currently on Clickbank for the health and fitness niche. You want to also look at some other factors here if they have an affiliate page, because that's going to give you some promotional tools to help you actually promote this product. You can come down here, you can see there are different types of products. This is actually a physical supplemental product. I believe this one is as well. So let's come down here to look at a couple other ones. We know the keto diet is very popular. So if we're going to go ahead and click on here to the affiliate page to see what kind of resources we have here. Okay, so here we are in the custom keto diet affiliate resources page. Here it's going to give you an overview of the types of promotional tools that they're going to be offering you to help promote their product. Here you can create your affiliate links, showing us if you wanted to do it more of a straightforward way, just your standard link, straight to keto quiz with no video. They offer a $1 day trial, then build for $37. Just go straight to the keto quiz. These quizzes are really great because they create that engagement, showing the interest of your customer. Got product information. It's going to give you the information of what your customer is going to get if they purchase. You can actually use this information in your videos or your emails. It's got some real testimonials, so from people that have gotten results. These animated banners that you can use in your website or anywhere that you can that accepts HTML. And then all you would need to do is to make sure that you get to sell through your affiliate link, as you would just change these X's and put in your affiliate link, your ID. And remember, you get that ID when you sign up for Clickbank, so that's what you're going to want to replace wherever you see these X's. It's got social media to help to promote custom keto diet on your social media pages. They suggest that you edit the descriptions that they have included in the packs to avoid duplications. There's several here, quite a bit. Got lead magnets. If this is an incentive that marketers can offer to potential buyers in exchange for their email address or their contact information, you can download the lead magnet. You can redirect them to their sales page using your affiliate link. And this way you can follow up with them via email about the benefits of the custom keto diet, because a lot of affiliates, because a lot of people will not buy on the first time seeing an offer. Got landing pages where you can host their sales page on your domain. You can download the file on this page and upload them to your own server. Just remember, you always want to change out and put your own affiliate ID here so you'll actually, when you get the sell, it will go through your affiliate link. They got done for you videos here that you can actually use. Intermittent fasting and keto, a guide to keto. So tons of these videos that you can just use and just give different titles and description for and upload to your YouTube channel if you wanted to create a full-blown YouTube channel about health and fitness. I would suggest, since there's probably a lot of people out there, that you want to maybe like put in an intro to make it unique, as it might be considered as a duplicate if everyone's putting the same videos as they are on YouTube. And then the list goes on. It's got media buyers, customer demographics. So this is great if you're going to be using pay-per-click ads, such as in Google, YouTube, or Bing. You can see the customer base here with the genders: 80% women, 20% men. So you're going to want to use these demographics between these ages 35 and 65 in the different countries. So that's great. It's got articles you can use, done for keywords, email swipes. You download all of this and you can utilize this in all of your campaigns. And then it's got the frequently asked questions if you're just wanting to know exactly how to actually specifically promote using these resources. Okay, so what you're also going to want to do is actually go to the offer page with what you're promoting here on Clickbank, because there are some older products on Clickbank that are outdated and probably some of them are not very good to actually promote anymore, to be honest with you. So as you can see here for this specific one, it's very professional, very vivid in the coloring with the pictures and the video sales letters, and very straightforward. And this is a perfect example of a professional, well laid out promotional page with the VS sales letter. Okay, so just a couple other things I wanted to point out here that I didn't mention before is, as you can see here, that the average commission that you're going to be getting is $45.14 for this product. A lot of times too is they'll have upsells, and you can see here there's a recurring rebill at $84.14. And you can actually, if you come back over here, they have, if you click on here, you can actually have different options to where you can see what products offer a $1 trial that are recurring, to where you're going to be making these commissions on a monthly basis that they're automatically going to be charged until they actually cancel their subscription. And then, you know, once you've gone through the affiliate resources page that we have for the custom keto diet, and that you know that this is a good product to promote, what you're going to want to do is click on promote. And then you can see here again showing you can earn 75% commission for every customer you refer to this product. So that's actually pretty amazing. So then you're going to want to put in your account nickname that you're going to get when you've created your Clickbank account. Put a tracking ID, say if you're promoting this on YouTube if you want, just to see where your sales are coming from. You don't have to. Generate links. Got this, you're left with this big, huge, ugly hop link. So once you come over here to bit.ly.com, and then here you can put your Clickbank affiliate link, and you can shorten it. And then once you have this affiliate link, you can put it in the description of the videos in your YouTube channel. And then you can mention something in the description of your video saying, hey, click the link in the description to get this product or course. And if they click on your link, you get a commission. This is just a great way to start your own channel. It's based around just one niche, usually with the whole Creative Commons method. You want to be careful and not upload a bunch of videos in different categories, as they can easily get banned. So you kind of want to stay within the same niche for each one of your YouTube channels that you create. So it can be something like when the fitness category, it can be all related to fitness. That's okay. But you don't want to mix different types of niches, say like dog training with fitness and weight loss or so forth. And eventually you'll get approved for YouTube's monetization. So then on top of that, once that happens, then you're going to also be making money through YouTube's AdSense and then Clickbank commissions as well. That's pretty much the best way to get started on YouTube if you want to start making money right away. As it is much harder to start a YouTube channel and just start making money, and you will actually make more money from the affiliate marketing side until you get monetized than you would with just the YouTube's AdSense. So I hope that helps. I'm going to make more videos soon on this topic, as well as many others. So if you want more, just click and subscribe. Like this video and hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on future videos that I release. And comment down below. So if you've tried this method and if it's working for you, go ahead and let me know. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.